Welcome to the Odyssey Browser User Interface, or BUI. We created BUI to improve the performance and speed of your console. You'll notice major performance improvements in launching cases, opening an existing case, entitlements, and much more. In this video, we'll demonstrate menus, navigation, and some case management workflows. Before we get started, let's go over a few important notes. First, in order to take advantage of BUI's performance improvements, you must install and access using Google Chrome. Certain functions will remain in the desktop version of Odyssey, such as creating reports. And most of the processes and fields you are familiar with remain the same. The main changes are how to access those tasks. Finally, we have a wealth of training resources to help you transition to Odyssey BUI. To access Odyssey training materials, job aids, and our FAQ, please search Vyond for Odyssey Browser User Interface Training. I think that sums it up. Let's go take a look at Odyssey BUI. We'll start our quick tour with the hamburger menu in the upper left-hand corner of Odyssey BUI. To access the menu items, click on the hamburger icon in the upper left-hand corner. The navigation menus will load. In order to access subcategories, simply click and expand the category that you're interested in. Here you'll see various reports that you can access. These reports were the same ones that were available in the navigation panes in Odyssey Desktop. Let's go ahead and run the My Cases report. When I click to run the report, I'm taken to the filters page. Notice that by default, all filters are selected. If I'd like to customize the search, I can uncheck Select All, then choose the filters that I'd like. Please note that each time you perform a search, you'll need to reset these filters. When I'm done, I'll go ahead and click Search. And there's the case that matches my filters. Notice that my filters remain in place on the results page, and if I click Refresh, the filters I selected remain as well. However, if I click the Reset button, my filters will be reset. Next, let's go ahead and access an organizational search from the menu. I'll go ahead and leave my filters blank here and click Search. Here are my search results, and if I click the Open link, I can view all the information about my desired organization. Depending on your profile, you'll find other reports in the hamburger menu in Odyssey BUI, such as a contact search, cases, answers, and various tasks. Okay, you're doing great. Now that you understand how Odyssey BUI menus work, let's take a look at the navigation menu to the right. From the search box at the top of the page, you can access any number of quick searches. I'll go ahead and click the ellipse, and then from the drop-down menu, I can choose an organization search, a contact quick search, a case quick search, or an appliance search. I'll go ahead and search for a case. I'll paste in my case number, and then click Search. Here you see the launcher page for the particular case that I searched for. We'll discuss the launcher in just a moment. Clicking the mailbox icon allows you to pull a case if there are any unassigned cases. You can either open the case that you were assigned or click the My Cases button, which will take you to the report for all your cases. Clicking on the star icon displays a list of at least 10 of the most recent items that you've worked on. You can either search for items or click on them to access directly. If you click on the clock icon, that displays the world clock. Please note that this is not offset for daylight savings time. Clicking the plus icon allows you to add a new record to Odyssey, such as a case, task, or work plan. Finally, if you're looking for notifications, be sure to click the bell icon where you can refresh and review any notifications you may have received. Now that you've seen the Odyssey BUI menus and navigation, it's time to learn a little bit about case management and the launcher. No, not that type of launcher. I'm talking about the launch page in Odyssey BUI, complete with quick actions. Let's take a look. Odyssey BUI introduces the concept of the launcher. You can access the launcher when clicking on a case from a report, pulling a case, and creating a new case. The launcher is a quick look at the case and also provides access to quick actions or tasks that you can complete. This allows the workspace you need to load quickly. You can also edit case parameters, access the full edit case interface as well as close a case from here. At the top of the launcher, you'll find functionality such as refresh, new, copy, print, and bookmark. And below that, you'll find fields such as subject, product, category, next contact date, the SLA response, and entitlement information. You'll also find the save and save and close buttons. On the left side of the launcher, you'll find case information separated by the essential and reference tabs. If it's an appliance case, you'll also see an appliance tab here. The main area of the launcher contains the quick actions. When you click a quick action, it quickly launches that particular workspace for you to edit. You can also access the full edit case interface by clicking the edit case button and close a case by clicking close case. If you add some text to case notes, you'll see the text the next time you launch the case, which is good for a quick reminder. And if you click on the message tab in the launcher, you can enter a private note, which will be added to the case thread. You can view the case thread under the Messages tab in the Edit Case workspace. To summarize, you can access the launcher and quick actions when clicking a case from a report and creating a new case. Quick actions are available on the launcher and when you click into the Edit Case workspace. And finally, once you're in the Edit Case workspace, you need to save and relaunch the case to access the launcher again. Now that you've learned about the launcher and quick actions, let's wrap up this demonstration by walking through some of the workflows available from the launcher. First, let's take a look at Edit Case and some of the workflows available there. Although you can access many workflows from quick actions, the primary area you'll operate in is in Edit Case. From here, you can access and edit case details. If you click on the Messages tab, you can view private notes and any customer messages that you've sent or received. Let's go ahead and send a message to our customer. I'll come up here and click the Send button. And you can see there's my message. To compose a message using standard text, I'll click on the standard text icon here, and I can either search for the standard text from the search box or use the drop-down menu and expand the menu items, and then select the standard text that I'd like to use. The text is displayed in the window, and I'll click the Add to Existing Case button. Next, I'll click Send. And here you see the email has been sent to my customer. Now let's take a look at how to create a Request for Assistance or RFA. To create an RFA, from Quick Actions, click Request Assistance. On the next screen, you'll see any existing RFAs. To create a new one, click the Create New RFA button. Once you're in the Edit screen, enter in all the required information, and when you're done, click Save. To view your new RFA, click Request Assistance again, and there you see it's been added to the list. Our next workflow is Plan of Action or POA. To create or view a POA, from within the Edit Case workspace, click on the POA tab. Here you'll see a list of all your plan of actions. To create a new POA, click Add New. That'll open up the Edit screen. Select your parameters. Down below, you'll see the Plan of Action edit box. You can type in whatever you'd like there. I'll enter in a contact telephone number. At any time, you can click Save. And if you want to accept the plan of action, click Accept. And there you see it's been added to the list. Thanks for watching the Odyssey BUI training. For more information on common workflows, please be sure to visit the Odyssey BUI training page on Vyond and download the job aid and read the FAQs. Have a great day.